You're close to menopause and you've been gaining weight. खाना देखते हो तो भी वेट बढ़ रहा है. The weighing scale is just refusing to budge. You've been eating the same, exercising or moving about the same, yet you're gaining weight. If this is happening with you, then do you know that your body is actually programmed to gain weight around your menopause? Your body is programmed to store more fat around your menopause. Namaste. I'm Dr. Ameya Kanakia, gynecologist, menopause specialist, and a life coach. And let's talk about menopause and weight gain today. Now, why does your body store more fat around your menopause? The answer to this question is that this is one way the body can get the hormone estrogen जो आपका menopause में कम हुआ है. अब menopause आता है तो आपके reproductive hormones, estrogen है, progesterone है, सब कम होते हैं. But the body still has a way of creating more estrogen. And that is through the conversion of estrogen from male hormones, that is testosterone. अब मेनोपॉज में फीमेल हार्मोन्स, रिप्रोडक्टिव हार्मोन्स जो ओवरी से आते हैं वो कम हो गए हैं, बट आपके एड्रीनल ग्लैंड्स, मतलब टू स्मॉल ग्लैंड्स जो आपके किडनीज के ऊपर सिचुएटेड रहते हैं, they keep producing the same amount of male hormones. Now, yes, we do have male hormones also throughout our life. The only thing is that they are balanced by the female hormones. Of this conversion of male to female hormones, which is like testosterone to estrogen, takes place in the breast, in the liver, in the body. But a major part of this conversion takes place in the fat or adipose tissue of your body. So, jitna zyada fat, utna zyada conversion of testosterone to estrogen. Now, how does the body manage this storage of extra fat? A lower metabolism. How? By decreasing your muscle mass. जितना आपका मसल मास ज़्यादा है उतना आपका कैलोरीज बर्न एट रेस्ट और बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट ज़्यादा है. जितना मसल मास कम उतना मेटाबॉलिज्म कम, मेटाबॉलिक रेट कम. Now, increased secretion of the stress hormone cortisol, जिसका function is to store more fat in the body increases. Now, fat store हो रहा है, but अभी भी मेल टू फीमेल हार्मोन्स का रेशियो है वो करेक्ट नहीं होता है with the small amount of conversion. So जो फैट स्टोर हो रहा है that is directed by the increased male hormones in the body. मतलब ये जो फैट डिपॉजिट होता है वो मेल टाइप ऑफ फैट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में होता है. मतलब what? So if you see when females typically store fat in their reproductive years, this fat is stored in the hips and the thighs, जिसको हम pear shape body also भी बोलते हैं, या मेडिकली हम उसको gynecoid type fat distribution बोलते हैं. But males जब fat store करते हैं that is around their bellies. So around menopause आपका belly fat बढ़ जाता है because you have a male type of fat distribution. Now this belly fat also causes a mild level of inflammation in the body. Now this inflammation in turn increases the stress hormone cortisol in the body. उसके वजह से अगेन फैट स्टोरेज बढ़ता है. मतलब ये विशियस साइकिल बन जाता है. अब आपको ये साइकिल ब्रेक करना है, फैट लॉस करना है, तो रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ कैलोरीज दैट यू टेक इन इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प. अब आपको समझा कि आप कितना भी कम खा रहे हो फिर भी वजन चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. सो व्हाट यू रियली नीड टू डू, वन, either increase your estrogen levels, which can be by consuming foods with natural estrogens or phytoestrogens in them, or by taking hormone replacement therapy also if it is applicable in your case. Second way is by increasing your muscle mass to increase your basal metabolic rate, and this you can do through exercise, mainly strength training exercise. Third is decreasing your stress to break that vicious cycle. Now, decreasing your stress you can do through sleeping well, deep breathing, meditation, following your hobbies, spending some time in your hobbies as well. Let's talk more about this in the next videos. Like this video, click that subscribe link and share this with your friends who might be going through some similar situations.